Today I share with you how to make delicious and mouth-watering pancake. We have different type of pancake, but this time I'm going to share with you how to make this gorgeous pancake you can see here. It was so easy to get done and everything you need to know to enjoy this I'm going to show you on this video. To begin, I'm going to be needing all-purpose flour. The same time I'm going to be needing salt with this, and next is to add in is baking powder. Next I'm going to be adding is black pepper and the same time sugar. So after adding these dry ingredients, all I do is to stir everything together. So you're going to get that to combine until it gets together like this. Next is for us to add in is milk. For the milk, guys, it's a fresh milk and at the same time it's a cold milk. So you don't need to first of all parboil the milk before you can use it. Just use it fresh and it's good to go. Next for me to add in is water. So after adding that, I'm going to stir together. So all I do is to stir the flour and the milk to get dissolved before I add the last ingredient. At this point, this is what I have. It has dissolved at this point. Now it's for me to add in is egg. So over here, I'm going to be needing 2 eggs. So this is the last ingredient we are going to be adding. So adding the egg, then mix everything together. I just have to whisk. So this mixing process is very, very important for you to get this amazing pancake done. So you have to get this mix so nice. So that is just taking about 3 to 4 minutes to get this fluffy and then this making butter. So you can see how milk this look. Okay, so if you don't have liquid milk, you can as well make use of dry milk. Okay, so two of them is useful. Then when you add dry milk, then you can use water to mix all through. But if you have fresh milk, then you can just add in a little bit of water the same way I mix mine. At this point, we are done mixing that. So you're going to be needing cup spoon like this. So that is going to enable you to add that inside the pan. So this is the cup spoon I'm going to be using. So one of this cup spoon is not going to reach you. So you're going to be making use of 1.5 for each pie, like each pancake. So guys, let's proceed to the pan. Over here we have our pan. Before we proceed, we have to first of all grease it with oil, then add in 1 spoon of it and let that to cover the pan. So it's not going to cover everywhere. Then we are going to add a little bit of it like this, just the side that remain. So allow that to get fried. It was just so perfect. So just cover the pan like this and then it's going to dry about 1 minute, and then 1 minute later you're going to turn the other side. So like this. So I still give that another 1 minute to fry and then turn it again like this. So once it's achieved this, what I do now is to fold it like this. So this is just how I'm going to get that fold with my hand and then bring this one out. It's ready to enjoy. See how gorgeous this look. So I just keep it aside. So next is to proceed like that. Grease your pan with the oil and then add in 1 spoon. Use that to cover the pan like this and then use another one to cover the remaining space like this. Just a little half. So it's not going to be 2 or 1.5, just 1 spoon and half. Small half. Okay, so you don't have to let the pancake to be that thick. So you have to be light like this so that it's going to dry very easy and at the same time it's going to enable you to easily eat. So that is just how you are going to fry it for you to achieve this shape. So once I get that fry like this, I'm still going to fold it the same way. I just love the way I fold this. It was just easy and at the same time it's going to enable us to just easily eat. Have you shared this recipe? So you have to follow this process to make this gorgeous pancake for your family. Even the kids, hobby, everyone that eat this is going to appreciate you. I love the flavor. I love the texture. Every bit of this pancake is what you need to try. So once you are mixing your batter, don't forget to add them pepper. So you can use paprika pepper or you can use black pepper. So adding that pepper is going to enable you to eat it as if it the apple for here. So it's going to make you to eat it and same time you are going to feel at home. It's going to sweet you as if you are eating normal food. So just try to add in pepper and the same time you are going to love it. So this is the last batch and then we don't fry everything. It was everything beautiful. I hope you learn 1 or 2 on this recipe. So that is why you have to share and follow this process to make pancake for the children. Everyone around you is really going to appreciate you for this pancake. So guys, at this point everything is fried and beautiful like this. Oh my gosh, are you saying this? See how beautiful this look. It was everything. It's too sweet. So don't forget to share, follow this process to make this delicious pancake for the family. I love you guys. See now everywhere it's just so beautiful. The color, the texture, the taste, everything about this pancake is just so perfect. See the texture now, see how gorgeous this look, see how beautiful. It was everything massive. I love you in my next one. Bye.